California Nate. My nigga Jay Watch. Look, my nigga told me, nigga, keep it all the way barf, nigga, or don't do this shit. You dig? Martian made fashion, nigga. California, A, Pasadena, West Hollywood, whatever. San Fernando Valley, you know, nigga. Six Flags shit, bitch. I'm kicking back. Yeah. Damn, I like her hair. Damn, I like her toes. Damn, I love her swag. That mean I like her clothes. Bitch, do you have some friends? My niggas all single. Look, I have a daughter and my bitch will probably kill us both. So let's get it and split it with my niggas. I'm higher than a pigeon and go barfing in the kitchen. I grew my own swag, then put it in a swisher. Now that's gross. What the fuck these niggas hating on? I love my niggas, but hate these fake ass niggas, boy. 99, my school had all the fashion, boy. 011, I fell into some fashion, boy. Popped up out the blue. Martian made is what I'm putting on, and that's my nigga, J Wash or JW. This ain't a game, but we making moves. Pasadena, California, welcome to my cool barfed up bitch shit. I'm just trying to.
Hey, California lifestyle, Fairfax, and where we on? Melrose, right next to Fairfax High, man. You better stop it. Got that nigga Weezy on the scene. Yeah. Yeah.
My name is Bear.
Just left, where we just leave? Sporty LA?
Sporty LA.
Heading down to the Diamond and Supply Comp and this tattoo spot. Check out Supreme.
Yes, sir.